Mexican world featherweight champion Oscar Valdez admits challenger Cerbania's Filipino roots could pose problems when he meets him today in defense of his World Boxing Organization (WBO) title in Tucson, Arizona. Servania is ranked No. 4 in the WBO, and he has that typical Filipino style. He comes from different angles, and it's always going to be a hard fight. "It's not going to be easy for me," said the undefeated Valdez, who is risking the WBO 126-pounds crown for the third time. Servania, now based in Kanazawa, Japan, is fighting for the world title for the first time and is determined to make heads turn in his U.S. debut. Valdez, 22-0 with 19 KOs, is aware of what lies down the road and swears the showdown with Servania, 29-0 with 12 KOs, isn't going to be a walk in the park. Servania had an extensive amateur career and blossomed into a world beater when he fought under the banner of the ALA Boxing Club of Cebu City. While Servania's amateur background is solid, Valdez's is light years ahead as he boasts of a bronze in the 2009 World Championships and a gold in the 2008 World Youth Championships. During yesterday's official weigh-in, Valdez came in at 125.8 lbs.Servania tipped in at 125.4 pounds. Bob Arum's top-rank Inc.promotes Valdez, and the Hall of Fame promoter is lining up a bevy of big fights for his fair-haired boy